How to enable GoDaddy website backups automatically. Easy setup guide. Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up automatic website backups with GoDaddy. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to ensure your website is protected and easily recoverable in case of any issues. To start, log in to your GoDaddy account and navigate to the Account Info section. From there, click on Domains and select the domain you want to set up automatic backups for. Next, click on the Backup tab and then click on Set up Automatic Backups. You'll then be presented with a few options, including the frequency of your backups and the storage space you have available. Choose the frequency that suits your needs, such as daily or weekly, and select the storage space you want to use for your backups. Once you've selected your options, click Save to set up your automatic backups. GoDaddy will then take care of backing up your website for you, so you can focus on running your business. By following these simple steps, you can rest assured that your website is protected and easily recoverable. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow guides on how to manage your website with GoDaddy.